the issues that hinders our nation from fostering? Is it the education, the increasing population, the number of crimes and corruption, or the unrest among those to whom we have granted authority?
Ang ating bayan, ano bang sanhi? Di ko malaman, kayamanan na dapat natin natamas.
The Republic of the Philippines. Unraveling the hidden identity of a mayor who is allegedly related to the corrupt movement of various government institutions.
Nakita ko po sa birth certificate ko po sa Hilot at iniwan po ako ng nanay ko.
Hindi, saan po kayo napanganak?
Nakita ko po sa birth certificate ko.
Saan po? Saan po? Anong lugar po sa Pilipinas kayo naipanganak?
Nakita ko po sa birth certificate ko at
hindi ko po tinatanong yung proseso ng pagkapanganak nyo. Ang tinatanong ko po kung saan po kayo pinanganak.
Sa Banban po.
Saan sa Banban?
Sa Banban Tarlac po.
Saan po sa Banban Tarlac, Mayor?
Sa farm po.
Ano pong barangay yung farm na yun? At sino po yung mga nakasama ninyo sa farm?
Lumaki po ako mag-isa.
Hindi po pwede na pagkapanganak ninyo, mag-isa na lang po kayo. So, sino po yung mga tauhan nyo o yung mga empleyado nyo na nakasama ninyo?
Hindi ko na po maalala, Your Honor.
Can you provide us the names ng mga yaya nyo or magkwento ka ng mga childhood mo, yung mga formative years?
Your Honor, hindi ko na po maalala. Ang naalala ko lang po ay ang pangalan ng teacher ko, si Teacher Lubilin po.
Kung nung elementary ka, nag-homeschooling ka, so paano naman nung nag-high school ka?
Dire-diretso po.
Anong dire-diretso?
Dire-diretsong tutorial po yung ginawa, Your Honor.
Wag na ho tayong maglokohan dito, Mayor, no? If you are a Chinese, go back to your country. But if you are a Filipino, then convince us that you are a Filipino.
A testament of political instability. The Senate President of the 19th Congress of the Philippines resigned after knowing that 19 senators plans to oust him from the post. Many theory behind this resignation arises right after the said event.
Today, I offer my resignation as Senate President of the Republic of the Philippines. And upon stepping down, I vow to serve as an independent member of the Senate, my allegiance as ever belonging only to the Filipino people.
Asa laging nagpapakasasa, katarungan, hustisya at ating karapatan. Paano ipaglalaban kung walang pinag-aralan? Karunungan na dapat sana ay aming sandalan. Paano ipaglalaban ng aming karapatan? Karapatang makakain sa araw-araw, karapatang makapag-aral ang mga kabataan, karapatang ipaglaban hanggang namin kalayaan. Itong ating bayan ay parang nasa digmaan, gumisigat.
A road that is supposedly full of wonderful cars now serve as heaven for some. A road that is constructed for feasible transportation ended up as dormitories for some. A bridge that was constructed to connect communities now serve as home for some. The Philippines ranks 73rd among the poorest country of the world, according to the Global Finance magazine. Access to basic necessities like electricity, safe drinking water, and quality education remains uneven. This scarcity not only limits the potential for development across the nation, but also perpetuates inequality. As a result, impoverished communities face daily struggles, making it all more challenging to break free from the cycle of poverty.
Ano po yun, mga madam, sir?
Kuya, magkano po isang kilo ng bagas?
Ay, 55 na po ngayon isang kilo.
Ang mahal naman po.
Ay, ganun po talaga kasi mga bilihin ngayon masyadong tumaas na. Ano po, kukuha po kayo?
Bagong Pilipinas, bagong mukha. A political branding deemed to be positive. A promised 20 pesos per kilo of rice is nowhere to be found. Alongside the inflation comes people who are struggling to survive the daily challenges of life.
Ang mahal na ng mga bilihin ngayon.
Oo nga eh.
Hindi na kasya ang 1,000 sa isang linggo.
Oo nga eh.
The Philippines has a high crime rate. When will this stop? When will unsolved crimes become public knowledge? And when will justice win out? We implore them to assist, but we merely look on like strangers going by. Is the sense of satisfaction or the poverty that made people act this way? Just a mere of inflation, people go on rally just for the government ignoring it. Poverty, inflation, crimes. Connect these dots, a country with no tulungan. The supremacy of drugs in the Philippines. Drugs can have devastating effects on our health and lives. They impair judgment, lead to addiction, and can destroy relationships and futures. It's crucial to understand that while they might offer temporary relief or pleasure, the long-term consequences are severe.
Ang para sa bayan, para muling masilayan ang perlas na silanganan.